Hi again everybody, welcome to my latest video. A real quick one this time. I purchased this little mini tripod today and I wanted to just open it up and let everybody see what I had in here. It's going to be something I might want to use in the future. Let me demonstrate. The brand is Zeadio. Never heard of it, but I wanted it cheap. Cost about $12–13 on Amazon. Just came in late yesterday and had to get through my quarantine. Let me open this thing up. It's got a tool, a little Allen wrench with it. Wow, I never would have guessed. I thought it was a little bit bigger than that, to be honest with you. Let's see here. Looks like it opens up from the bottom here. Wow. I guess it goes like this. The camera goes on this little 1/4-inch adapter. So what I'm thinking, when I have a lightweight camera, sort of like my Osmo camera here, the little 4K camera that I did a previous review on, which can be mounted. It has a 1/4-inch connector on it. Looks like you can use the tool to either tighten this little Allen wrench here, or it's probably just easier just to take it and spin it, looks like. Looks like it'll tighten that way. And then I have a little tripod, a little table pod. Looks like as long as the camera's not too heavy, you can adjust it any way you want. It doesn't have a tilt on it, but it looks like you can maybe change one of the legs or so and tilt it back a little bit. But it's really meant to be something for vlogging, right? Don't know if I'll really do that much, but let me try it right now. I'm going to go outside and do a little video with this and see how it turns out. Okay, I'm going to try this out in vlogging style. Never tried this before, so you have to be forgiving of me here. Well, let me walk around. This is my yard that I'm in right now. You've seen this before in previous videos. Over here we have my shed. A lot of my tools are in there. It's a pretty good sized yard. And I wish I had bigger. I'd like to have a lot more land than this, but this is where I'm at these days. Anyway, I have the stabilization on this camera turned, and I think I've demonstrated that before. Not sure how it's going to look when I go back and view it. Right here is a little garden that my daughters have been working on. They're growing some vegetables. Those little wind fans are to scare off the squirrels. They tend to get in there and try to dig up the radishes that have been planted there. And all along here we have a lot of different vegetables. There's a little cherry tree my wife got for a gift a couple of years ago. It's starting to grow pretty well. Right over here somewhere is the hole in my sprinkler system. It's a good thing I videotaped it because I'm going to go back and take a look at that. This little container here is for all of the pool supplies. I don't have a pool anymore, as you can see, but we have to get rid of that. Anyway, what do you think? Does it look okay? Never tried this before. But I may gift myself something that's considerably better in the near future. Probably around a time that hopefully I get monetized. We'll see how it goes. But it'll be one of the first times I buy a brand new product that probably not that many people have. So it'll be interesting. And then over here we have my barbecue grill. We're going to actually be using that later today. And this table here, I'm setting up for a video I'm going to do today. You'll see it probably the next one after this one. So anyway, not sure how this worked out, but we'll see. So here's a camera using it as a tripod and a view of what it's taking a picture of right at this moment. Well, what'd you think? Little mini tripod. A couple of things I didn't say about it, which I should have said before. It's made of a pretty sturdy, feels like an aluminum chassis. As you can see, it doesn't just go full open. You can actually set it in stages to it as well. The legs will stop at certain points and allow you to set it up. So it's a pretty sturdy, nice feeling. Fits perfectly, at least in my hand. Anyway, with that, I think that covers what I wanted to talk about today. Hopefully you got something out of this video. And if you did, at least consider subscribing to my channel. It would help not only me, but if you're interested in any of my content, it'll help you get a little bit of a notification, not through email. Don't click on the bell, I'm not asking for that. But when you go into YouTube and you're signed in, it'll give you a little red dot to let you know that there's a new video out there. And until the next time, stay well and take care.